In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to turn on power off verify in any Android device that is working on Android. So power off verify in an Android phone is a very important feature that helps you protect your phone from theft. In this feature, what you're going to do is you're going to set up a password in order for you to switch off your phone. So it's only you who would know the password, be it a screen lock or a code, to switch off your phone. So if anybody else is trying to, take your phone and run away with it or trying to steal your phone, they're not able to switch off your phone. In the meantime, you get to know your phone is misplaced or somebody is trying to steal it. You get hold of a laptop or another phone and you get to find Hub from Google and you try to trace your phone and you could get your phone back because the person who's trying to steal your phone is not able to switch it off. So until and unless your phone is switched off, it's only then that it's going to be untraceable, right? So this is a very important feature that you need to turn on if you have an Android device that has this feature. So in order for you to set this up, get hold of your Android device and get to settings directly. Once you do that, just type in power off verify. Select the first suggestion. Okay, you get directed to this page for security and privacy of your phone. Click on power off verify and turn this on. Get back to the settings screen. So the next time somebody tries to steal your phone and it is locked like this, they try to go ahead and switch off your phone, they are prompted to put in a password. So if they do not know this PIN, they are not going to be able to switch off your phone and it is still going to be online for you to trace it. I hope this helps and I hope you got some value. If you did, give my video a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.